today, I can't help but think about all the moments that led us to this one. The laughter, the challenges, the countless ways you've shown me love. I still remember our little code smile. Back when you were still courting me, you'd give me flowers or food with a note that simply said smile. It was your quiet reminder that no matter what was happening, you wanted to see me happy.